2008 Tundra. The longer I have this thing, the more little unique things I find with it. Like the first thing is like little storage compartments. I count under seats, the little slip behind the seats or the doors. There's more little features that set it apart from other trucks. So each front door has a little pocket. It's like the driver's side, the passenger side has a little pocket here. The visor has a little slip, but so do a lot of other vehicles. Over in the center, there's a slot for sunglasses. Another little holder for insurance card or a credit card, possibly registration. It's a cool little feature. Another spot for sunglasses. And another spot for sunglasses. That's overhead. Up in the center dash, we have a little slot for coins or whatever, phone. Another slot for coins or a phone or something. The cup holder is removed, so storage things can be put in there. This is a little ashtray, or this can possibly be removed and be used as a cup holder. The center armrest can even go forward a little, and cup holders back here. Center console. There's a lot that could be utilized in here. Look, even this, the top of the cover, tissues, another place for cards. I'll be honest, I'm not even quite sure what this does, but it can be removed for something. Slot for a pen or pencil. This is maps, so okay, maybe that gets out the way. You can hold some maps there. Cool. Of course, a glove box. Every vehicle has that. The one thing I recently discovered when I was changing the cabin air filter, it's the glove box comes off all that, is this. So there's a cool little pocket here, or compartment. Well, that's what I know so far. You'll leave a comment if you found anything cool about a 2008 Tundra. Little hints and secrets, or little hacks.